Hi guys, it's Shannon with Lewis Motors. Check out what we've got today. We've got an 03 Jeep Rubicon. This has been fully customized. It's got a 5.7 HEMI engine installed from AEV. They installed engine and transmission. It's got a long arm custom suspension on it, Oldman Emu shocks on it. It only has 39,000 miles. The AEV engine and transmission were all installed at about 20,000 miles. So this has only got about 10,000 miles on the engine and powertrain. We do have all the paperwork, all of the components that have ever been put on this vehicle are all documented. It has an oversized fuel tank, aluminum fuel cell. The bumpers are built extremely heavy. I do not remember the brand, but I will have all that available. If you want to call in, I can go over all the paperwork. This gentleman was meticulous with this vehicle. It's got electric lockers, front and rear. It's got a rock jock rear end in it, made by Currie. Currie axles, Mastercraft seats, a full roll cage, true beadlock wheels. These wheels were custom made. Tires are less than 6 months old, have less than 5,000 miles on them. All the brake calipers have been replaced within the last 6 months. Custom stereo, 3 tops. We have a bikini top, we have a cloth top like this, and then we have a more of a tonneau cover top. Has Currie sway bars on it, custom installed. It has a custom installed glove box. This is all steel, so that when you close it up, lock it, nobody can get in. They can cut your top, they can do everything else, but they can't get inside your glove box. It does have air conditioning. It has everything just like it was manufactured new. Everything works. It drives excellent. This vehicle has been driven to Moab, driven out, rode the trails, driven home. A gentleman that is retired has enjoyed this Jeep since it was new. This Jeep has nothing negative, no flaws, just an impeccable vehicle. If you look under the hood, you're going to see the big 5.7 HEMI engine. As I said, we have all receipts from day one for every item that's ever been installed on this. If you'd like, I'll fire it up for you. There we go. The exhaust on this is Morla. It's a very throaty sound. Just an amazing Jeep. Call or visit our website and be happy to talk to you. Go over all the receipts, all the information, and you'll be amazed with it. Thank you.